In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vendor refund in Zoho Books, whether you're managing small business finances or just keeping the books accurate for a larger organization. Understanding how to properly document refunds is crucial. Getting this process right ensures that your accounts are always up to date, reflecting the true financial picture of your business. So let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process together. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho Books and navigate to the Purchases section, specifically to Payments Made. This section is where you can view transactions related to payments you've made to your vendors. It's an intuitive area designed to help you keep track of your outgoing money. Once you are there, browse through the list and find the payment for which you've received a refund. It's important to double-check and ensure that you're selecting the correct transaction. You'll want to make sure you're not accidentally altering the wrong record, which could lead to discrepancies later on. Once you've located the right payment, you'll notice a More button symbolized by 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you can access additional options for that payment. Go ahead and click on this button. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this list, choose Refund. Selecting this option will allow you to begin entering the details of your received refund. Now, a new window will prompt you to enter some essential information. Start by detailing the refund amount accurately. Mistakes here can lead to incorrect accounting, so take your time and enter the value correctly. Next, you will need to provide the refunded on date. This is the date when the refund was issued to you by the vendor. It helps maintain an accurate timeline of your financial activities, so ensure this date is correctly reflected. Finally, you'll need to specify the account where the refund was deposited. Selecting the correct account is crucial, as it ensures the funds are attributed correctly, affecting your accounting statements and reconciliations. This step helps in tracking where exactly the refund was received, assisting in financial clarity and balance. Once you've filled out all necessary details, review the information to ensure everything is accurate. Any errors here might complicate the reconciliation process later, so it's worth a second glance. When you're confident that all information is correct, click on Save. This action will officially record the refund in your books. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a vendor refund in Zoho Books. By completing this process, you help maintain the accuracy and reliability of your financial records. Regularly keeping track of refunds and adjustments within the system helps ensure that your financial data is always precise and up to date. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you manage your refunds with confidence. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering your financial management tools.